Where does that one go, Alice?
Which way does this one go? I forgot.
Turn it around until it fits. Yeah.
That one goes with it.
I think it might be upside down. Don't think it's that one.
I think it's so small. I think it's that one.
Yes, you're right, Alice, that's the one. Do you
Why
know
is
what that's called?
W? It goes like that. Elephant. What? What the hell? Where does this one go? Where does this one go? Where does this one go?
Which one have you got?
This one.
Do you know what it's called? Yeah, G. And on there, the sound for G is G. G. Guitar. Can you see the guitar? Yes. What's that one?
It goes.
Nest. Nest.
We don't know how it goes.
It's in the right one. It just needs turning until it fits in the space. Maybe if you turn it upside down.
Alice, I need.
That's it.
It's not getting in.
Turn it all the way upside down, all the way round. That's it. Good girl.
This H goes there. That goes there.
Oh, you've only got one space.